Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
I didn't want to kick you out. Are you good?
You're good. I can chill.
Okay.
You can leave it open, man. Place just as good either way.
Okay. Could you show me the name real quick and what's in here? I gotta put this up. A little more professional.
So, my name's Jeremy. It's 4 Scar VXF 15s. Right now it's on low power, 1 brutal sounds, 5K. Running that 1 ohm. Every time I talk to you, I got voltage issues. I need to get my voltage a little higher in a C-Max bank so I can put the other 5K in. Obviously not metal up or anything. Just
So is this you used to have 318s?
Yep.
And then you went and changed the baffle to make it 4?
Yep. There's 4 15s now and a 6 starter.
Do you like this more or less? You still tweaking to get there?
So far, I'm happy with it. It doesn't play quite as low as I want to yet, but it's not sealed off or anything.
So you went from 4th order to 6th order?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's the back for it back there?
Yep.
Nice. Looks
Just
good.
got it playing last week, so.
Okay. So what was your electrical, your alternator, battery and all?
I got a 320 Autotech,
Okay.
and then I got a Panasonic G3 45 amp hour bank,
Yeah.
which are basically C-Max, but the cells are brand new.
Yes, sir. All right. So you said open the door.
Yeah, you can open it. Nice, that place is play with
Yeah, that's good. Nice. I love to hear it. You were good, man. What made you mount them inverted versus regular? That's the only question I got.
It lowers the tuning in the rear chamber a little bit. The rear chamber is really not that big. I mean,
Here to here?
You've seen the box before.
Yeah.
The box is total about 33 cubes. The lower chamber is only about 14. So once you take the port out, it's actually going to wind up close to a negative ratio. Still got to do the loading wall and all that stuff.
Yes, sir. So you're, I guess, Fat Boy Audio?
Yeah.
Okay. I like the seats. Looks
Appreciate
good.
it, man. A lot of stuff changed since the last time you've seen it.
Nice little touch.
It's been painted and all that stuff since you saw it.
You ain't got no money. If you ain't got no money, get the hell up out my face. Get the hell up out my face. Get up out my face. Get the hell up out my face. And if you got the money, let me.
Actually does have a little bit bigger punch and it has more
yeah.
motor force. You can tell all around and you're still dialing in right here. You're gonna dial in the loading wall.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I said, it's only been playing for like a week.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. I really appreciate the demo, man.
I'll give you one more.
Oh yeah. All right.
Right here. I know you're a bass guy.
Yes, sir.
Guess that's how it is. It's happy told us this ass gonna go down. Really got these motherfucking Marty Griffin and 50 cans. Y'all don't know nothing about this shit. Fuck these motherfuckers fully automatic. Get a 90 in the motherfucking man. Get these motherfucking Glocks, these motherfucking SKs, AKs, all mine, nigga. But it's going down. I'm from the city where they love the hate.
Open, you see the way it changes the frequency too.
Yeah, it plays better with the doors open. That's the way I want it.
That's good. I mean, it makes it be able to. The only thing. Have you ever done any kind of SBL test, door open versus closed, to kind of see the difference with the loading wall?
I have when I had the 318s in it, and it was louder with driver door open, that window open. Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy. Yeah, I remember Jeremy. Yep. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack in the back.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too, man. Kind of just thrown together right now.
Hey, it's all good. Work in progress always.
What's up, man?
I'ma make a little tone, I'ma spin a little cake, put it all on the plate, got a little bit of room, got an appetite,